Now let's open our index.php inside of the pages folder. And inside of this file, we already have a header and footer, a list of images heading. Under the heading, what we're going to do is we create a form with the action set to blank. Method will be get. Then we have ID search underscore form. Now we have input tag with the type of text, name search, ID search, and class FLD. Then we have value attribute, and for value we'll simply do PHP echo is an empty get search. Then we'll echo this strip slashes get search, otherwise we'll echo nothing, so no. Then we have size set to 30 and closing input tag. After this one, another input type submit. We assign class button and button green, and then value attributes search. And after this, we close our submit button. Now, before the header, require once header opening and closing PHP tag. New database object, so obj jrdb equals new dbase. We also need to create search equals new array. And now we check if is set get search, and I'm going to copy this variable is an empty search, then we're going to execute our statement. Search, we add to the array the value of our populated from the URL of our search, so percentage, then get search in a curly braces, and then percentage at the end as well. And our SQL statement will be select distinct I and dot, and then we use a star symbol to indicate that we want to select everything. Now we have from images, and we indicate the images table will be represented by I letter here, then left joined, so left join tags represented by letter T, on T image equals I ID. This is where we have relation basically between the two tables. Then we have where statement, T label like, and a question mark, order by I caption ascending. So this is the statement if we have the search in a URL, if the form has been submitted, else if the page first loads, for instance, we're going to have SQL equals, I'm going to actually copy all this, only we don't need this I here, we only have it like this, from images and order by caption ascending. That's all fine. After this, we're going to type records equals object db get all SQL and search as second parameter. Obviously, if the second statement will be executed, then search will be blank array, which is also fine for the second parameter here. Now let's move to the next video when we're actually going to be displaying all these images on the page.